Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Empleyado sa isa ka kompanya nagapang-iya sang mga spa kag diet center sa Japan. Pinakauna nga English teacher sa mga pungsod nga nagikan sa lugar nga hindi English ang nagapanguna nga lengguwahe. Nangin scholar sing Japanese government. Isa sa mga administrator sang sikat nga beauty pageant website. Naka-organize kag nag-judge ang mga beauty pageant sa nagkalain-lain nga pungsod. Kag labaw sa tanan, nakalibot na sa kapin 40 kakapungsuran sa bugos nga kalibutan. Ang mga ining nahimo sang Bacoleño nga si Stephen Diaz sa 41 anyo sini nga pang-idaron. Naamtang sa estado nga ginahandom lang sang kadamaan. Ano bala ang ginagyan ni Stephen para ini ang matuman?
Hi there mga kapuso, panibag-o naman nga inspiring story nga aton tukibon sini nga aga. Main kaupod naton mga kapuso, gikan sa Bacolod City, Subong, nagapuyo na kag may ara matahom nga obra sa may Gyoda, Japan. Si Sir Stephen Inventor Diaz sang Barangay Pahanukoy, Bacolod City. Hi Stephen, good morning and welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Are, mayuman, tugnaw, gid.
Sir, kumusta ang kabuhi dira sa Japan, Subong?
Right now, it's winter, so tugnaw gid katama. And at the same time, recently nag-declare ang government namon state of emergency here in our area. So work from home kami for the time being. That's it.
Gikan sa Negros Occidental High School, gikan sa Barangay Pahanukoy. Tapos subong sir dira ka nag-i-star sa may pungsod Japan. Paano ka man nakalabot dira, sir man?
Well, it started with a scholarship grant way back in the year 2000. Amo na siya ang naging chance ko to be able to come to Japan.
Sir, di tanan yung mga Pilipino nagkakahatagan sa kapareho silang oportunidad. What made you decide to take this one?
During that time, I was about to graduate. It was like third year college na ako. And then my cousin, who is currently the principal of Domingo Lacson National High School, si Josette Aurora, she was the one who was really forcing me to apply for the scholarship grant. And I wasn't even thinking kung makapasara ko kung hindi. Like, it was just like, okay, just try. Like, wala akong madula sa akin. And then, yeah, like, if it's really meant for you, it's really meant for you. Well, first of all, you really have to brush up your mathematics because I think that's the reason why nakalapot ko sa Japan because I really worked so hard with my math back in high school and I'm so proud to be a product of Negros Occidental High School. Kaya very, very strict ginangamon mga math teachers during that time. So without that, I don't think I would be able to make it here in Japan. Value the teachings of your teachers. Kay amo man lang in the end, I believe that it was my stored knowledge which made me pass the examination when I took the examination in Cebu.
Stephen, from your own perspective, bilang isa ka beauty pageant enthusiast, coach, pagkatapos subong kabahin ka na sang prestigyosong Miss International Organization, what do you think is the main reason why we Filipinos are considered as the best beauty pageant fans in the whole wide world?
I think it boils down with the grassroots. Kay, I'm sure you could attest to that because you also hosted a lot of beauty pageants even on our student days. When I was much younger, I started hosting a pageant when I was 12 in my elementary school, and that passion eventually translates into support. Because it's something that gives pride to our country. Whenever a Filipina wins a beauty title, syempre proud kita as Filipinos. So, put them all together and then we become the greatest fans all over the world when it comes to beauty pageant.
Ano mensahe mo, Stephen, sa mga kapuso naton nga mga pamatanon diri sa Western Visayas nga daw medyo nakulbaan nga embrace ang pagbago sa ilang mga pangabuhi? Go ahead.
Well, change is inevitable. It may be a cliche. So you really have to have faith, trust the elder, trust your parents' advice, anyone who is older than you. I think a lot of us nowadays, especially young people, have forgotten how important is the wisdom of the older ones. Because we tend to think that we know better. And we may have all the book knowledge and all the internet knowledge in the world, but we don't have the experiences when we are younger. So the experiences that are the older generation actually have experience in their lives are actually very valuable. So pamati lang sa ilang mga advice. At the end of the day, sa Pilipinas, which is my home, would be the place where I'll be most happy. And then no matter where I go, no matter what I have achieved in my life, you know, the ultimate measure of my happiness would still be there back in our country.
Stephen, madawag salamat for being with us today. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Take your cue mga kapuso sa beauty queen maker nga si Sir Stephen Inventor Diaz. Kabay pa sa mga kapuso naton nga nagatanaw pa dayon kamo maghandom para sa corona kag syempre sa kadungganan nga dala sini.